Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can select multiple elements in Canva. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Canva app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Also, sign into your account before proceeding towards the next steps. Now, open a recent project or create a new one and you will be redirected to the Canva editor. Here, scroll to the right end of the icons at the bottom and tap on More. Then, tap on Select Multiple from the menu and start selecting the elements one by one. You can also access this menu by long pressing on one of the elements. Then again tap on the Select Multiple feature to get going. Once you have selected the desired elements, you can perform various actions such as moving, resizing, or aligning them together. This feature is particularly useful when you want to make changes to multiple objects simultaneously, saving you time and effort. So that's basically how you can select multiple elements in Canva. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.